Welcome to Sightseeing Tube channel. Today I will take you to the heart of London. Join us on this 4K walking tour through the vibrant streets of this iconic city as we explore the magical nightlife of London after dark, right here in September 2024. Our journey begins at the dazzling Piccadilly Circus, where London's famous lights illuminate the night. This spot is the perfect blend of classic and modern, whether you're here to shop, dine, or simply soak in the atmosphere. Street performers, tourists, and locals create a vibe that's simply unmatched. Let's take a closer look. Next, we head to the heart of London's nightlife, Soho. From jazz bars to dance clubs, this place is a magnet for night owls looking for a good time. No matter your style, Soho has something to keep you entertained. Feeling adventurous? Grab a drink at a hidden speakeasy or dance the night away to some live music. Soho never disappoints. After the thrill of Soho, let's slow things down with a serene walk along the Thames. Here, you can enjoy stunning views of the illuminated London Eye and the majestic Tower Bridge, all set against the calm flow of the river. Sometimes it's these quieter moments that let you truly appreciate the beauty of London's nightlife. Now, we're off to Covent Garden, where street performances meet gourmet dining. This area is perfect for those looking to enjoy some late-night bites or catch a live show under the stars. Grab a seat at one of the cozy restaurants and let the music fill your evening. Last but definitely not least, let's explore Shoreditch, where creativity comes alive after dark. Known for its vibrant street art and eclectic bars, Shoreditch offers a taste of London's edgy side. Whether you're looking for a rooftop bar or a quirky cocktail lounge, Shoreditch is where you can end your night on a high note. Thank you for joining us on this 4K walking tour of London's vibrant nightlife. enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures from the world's most exciting cities. Until next time, keep exploring and keep the adventure alive.